So I think when I first joined the program, you hear about all the success stories and through all the testimonials that people are giving. And you kind of just never think that you're going to be one of those like great success stories. I actually had a few conversations with people earlier in the program, and we were just talking about how, there's a couple people that came in at like really, really high salaries and landed really, really great jobs right off the bat and really quickly. And how, I just never thought that that would be me. And, just a few months later, I'm sitting on the other side of the camera and actually, with a great story to tell on my own. Straight out of college, I actually did events. So I worked in the hospitality industry. Did that for a while. Surprisingly, there's not a great work-life balance in events and hospitality. So wanting to kind of get some of my time back and my weekends back, I made kind of a shift from there into a project coordinator position in a different industry. Worked in that for a couple of years. Realized I really do like project management and project coordination. It doesn't matter what industry, it's just that I have a passion for that. So when I heard about Salesforce, I know there's also a lot of project management and project coordination positions in this industry as well. So I thought that would kind of transfer really well. It could be some good applicable skills. So I actually found the Facebook for Everyone group, and that's how I heard about the program. When I saw the program at first, I was really, really skeptical. Just in kind of studying for the exam itself, I had heard that there's a lot of materials and prep guides and stuff, and that a lot of those people are just out to make money, and they're not necessarily great resources in the end. So I think that's kind of the way that I approached it. I was really skeptical at first. I started kind of watching a lot of the testimonials and the videos, and it was like video after video. And I think that's what ultimately convinced me. That, and I remember in that Salesforce for Everyone group, I do remember seeing posts from Bradley, the creator, and that also convinced me because, he's obviously a real person, but he's actually in there making comments and talking to people. It's not just kind of a program that he ships out. He's so actively involved, and he's like a real down-to-earth person. At the very end of May is when I joined the program. At that point, I was through all the trailhead and was really just kind of in the study phase. I joined a study group immediately, met with a couple people just a few times, and then kind of quickly got my certification. I had a kind of a personal goal that I wanted to get my certification done in the first half of the year. So with about a week to spare, I took the test and passed the first time. I went through all the modules in Members Pro and updated my LinkedIn, did the LinkedIn review, which was really, really helpful, and also went through the mock interview process. And honestly, with the LinkedIn, I just grew my network as fast as I could. And I mean, it's amazing out there to see all the different professionals that are also working towards similar goals. Every day on my newsfeed, I was seeing, so-and-so passed and got their certification and all these like really great milestones that everybody else in my network was accomplishing. And it was a great feeling to be one of those people. After that, I signed up for the volunteer project and was pretty much just starting that when I heard about this opportunity, and I started moving forward towards it. I didn't even apply for the position. I just kind of, it fell into my lap, and I followed it, and I can't even believe it, because I just heard such great things about this company, and I just thought it would be such a great fit for me. And the learning opportunities in the future are just so great. I got a phone call in the middle of the afternoon. It was a Friday, and I recognized the number on the other side of the line, and I knew that was a good thing, because I was told that I was going to be I was going to receive my offer that day if it was coming. And so I answered it, and I mean, I was pretty much jumping up and down, because I was just so excited. It was kind of like a dream come true, honestly. So I think one of the things that interested me the most about the Talent Stacker program is I kept hearing that they pick you up where you are. So for me, I was already about ready to sit for the test and take my certification. When I did join, though, I felt like I was a little rushed, trying to get through some of the other modules. Because I had joined at that point, I was able to kind of skip around. And even to this day, the modules that I finished, I've kind of skipped around, and I haven't done all of them. I've done the ones that really kind of pertained to me the most, where I was at in the time. From the time I joined the program until the time I got my job, it was about 2 months, I believe. And then from the time that I actually opened and started Trailhead and created my first program, it was exactly 6 months and 1 day to when I got my offer. My advice for somebody who is considering the program would be to go ahead, and if you're serious, if you really are serious about this being a potential career move, you should definitely go ahead and at least take the 5-day challenge, and then sign up for the program really as soon as possible. There's so much that you can do kind of at the same time in the program. You can start kind of doing the networking and working on your LinkedIn while you are also studying for your certification. So don't wait. I wish I would have known about the program earlier. I did not, but you do. So you should go ahead and join it as quickly as possible. Plot twist, my husband actually joined the program as well this past weekend. So he is following the same path now.